This woman walked into a house while the owners were asleep, took photos of them in bed, and left. The doorbell camera caught everything. Birmingham, Alabama. A neighbor shared this Nest doorbell footage of a woman who pulled up in a red truck. She stops, shares a few thoughts with the homeowner. But here's the weird part. He has no idea who she is or what she's talking about.
You gonna behave?
You're scratching me.
Yeah,
I hate to bust you up. Don't scratch me. You need to get his nails cut. But you're scratching me. Probably got rabies or some shit.
Yeah.
Check this out.
Ford. Fixed or repaired daily.
Nope. Found on the road dead.
There you go.
This is the kicker though. I'm driving, normal, no problem. Get right here.
Come here. Get in here.
Steering wheel won't do nothing.
Oh. Baby, you got a Ford? Do that.
No, sir, I will not. Let me tell you something. No, let me tell you something. Stop. Okay? I'm very much aware of who you are and what you're doing. Stop. And I'm not going to say it again.
What am I doing?
Stop.
I'm not doing nothing. I'll help you, but I don't
want your help because please believe the police are already watching you. Stop.
Okay. I'm glad my brothers are watching me.
And I remember that little smart ass comment you made about cutting off my toe. Yeah. Stop.
Okay.
Because if something happened to me in this truck, because you
Don't know how to flirt on trucks.
I'm not gonna play the radio with you.
Okay.
Stop.
All right.
Pretty strange.
You can leave your truck there. It'll be okay. Okay. Thank you.
Lakeside, California. A neighbor is trying to figure out who this person was. Caught on their doorbell camera, stopping by at midnight. No knock. No message. Just a strange late-night visit. A sneaky bear helping itself to some bare necessities. Looks like something smelled really good inside that box. Can't blame him. Even bears love a good snack run. Pasadena, California. This woman says she works for the U.S. House of Representatives, but no one knows who she is or why she stopped by.
I am in search of my brother. I am from the United States House of Representatives, field agent of field operations. Denise Marie Martinez, also known as Madeline Rose Warwick, of the Warwick Party.
A neighbor shared this Vivint camera footage of a woman who stopped by to admit she accidentally crashed through his picket fence on her way to her son's graduation.
Ma'am, I just hit your fence. Can I just give you my information so I can just pay for this or whatever? I'm late for my son's graduation.
Henrico, Virginia. A neighbor shared this Ring doorbell video after a man stopped by.
Can I help you?
I'm at the wrong house. I meant to go to this one.
Yeah, I think you are at the wrong house.
A good reminder, always keep your doors locked. Anchorage, Alaska. A woman showed up at someone's home in the middle of the night with no shoes on. No one knows who she is or why she was there.
Hi. It's just me. I'm sorry, my feet are starting to hurt again. It's been a long way. Probably look different now, but I'm excited to see you.
Carson, California. A man and woman were caught on camera, trying to scale someone's house using a trash can. Not exactly a subtle approach.
No, let go.
This guy walks onto someone's porch and starts sniffing their dirty socks left outside. Yeah, that's pretty gross. This dad should get an award for his brave and quick actions. This lady got caught on my Ring doorbell, trying to take my brand new bike, and she looked really goofy doing it. Nice try, though.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I'll never do this ever
I will
again.
call the police.
I know. I'm sorry. Please don't. And I'm on your Ring anyway, so they'll know who I am.
Yeah.
Okay, I have 4 kids. I apologize. I just have no gas money.
Get off my property.
I apologize. I'm so sorry. I've never even done this before. I just promise.
You probably shouldn't again.
I won't. These people told me that they would give me $20.
Always double check who's outside before opening your door. You never know what someone has in mind.
Hello. Hi. How are you, sir? Who are you? Everybody knows. How are you? Good. You need to leave. How far? Out there. What's the reason stairs? What? What's the stone stairs? Come on, where are you going? What's the stairs? Goodbye, you.
At 4:33 a.m., a random man shows up on a Ring doorbell.
We can. How can I help you?
Hey, hi, who's this?
This is the owner of the house.
Say what?
This is the owner of the house.
Oh, is it? I apologize. There must be some complication because I believe somebody was meant to drop something off here, I guess.
Yeah, we took it already. That's why we're up. We have a dog that's barking. Why are you here?
Good. I was just wondering. Make sure you received your pickup or whatever.
Yeah, thank you.
3 guys thought it'd be funny to play doorbell ditch at my house, but didn't stop there. A woman walks up and uses her keys to leave a message on someone's brand new truck. According to the homeowner, she had the wrong house and no idea why she did it. What do you think's going on here?
Come on. Hello. He's on calling. Come here, baby.
warned them. I have bail money. Come out here.
A man shows up looking for his missing wife. He seems concerned, but no one here knows who she is or where she went. Do you?
What, that it's your wife?
Yeah.
It's your wife. It's important.
Maybe she doesn't want to be found. He gets a location alert on his phone that his wife is staying at this location.
There's no one here?
It's not.
Hello? Hello? Yeah.
Looking for Ottawa? Yes, I'm looking for Ottawa. Ottawa.
Oh, no, I think...
Can I help? Look completely lost.
It's strange.
I want to commit to a marriage.
How can I help you?
Hey, y'all
How can I help you?
I want to cash a check. Hey.
Hello?
Hey. Can you hear me?
How can I help you?
Can you hear me? I got to... Give me that check. Hey, No. Is this a check cashing service? She can't hear you. Show her the check. Hello, is this a check cashing service?